to the channel. I hope you've been doing well. I hope you're having a really good day. Let's talk about social media. Social media is here. Most of us are on it. Who knows, you may actually be watching this video through some social media outlet, right? So statistics or results from polls this year are showing that, for example, Facebook, 2 in 3 adult Americans are on Facebook. Over 70% use YouTube, right? Now for the younger group, let's say the 18 to the 24-year-olds, close to 80% of them are on Snapchat. Over 70% are on Instagram. So, and many of these users are logging on to these sites multiple times a day. So, we are connecting with each other, we are learning new things, it's opening up new things for us. But then, guess what? Social media also comes with certain negative effects on us. For example, more and more levels of depression and anxiety are being connected to social media. Because of social media, people are kind of out of sync a little bit with reality. It's making some users not feel too good about themselves. It's altering people's moods and stuff like that. So there is a part of social media that is concerning that should be concerning to us adults, especially if you're parents, or to you as an individual. So today I just wanted to call your attention to that and for us to kind of talk about how to make sure that social media does not have a negative impact on you. Okay, so the basis of why social media may have a negative effect is that psychologists are finding out that whenever you compare yourself to another person, whether you're doing better than them or worse than them, you begin to feel worse about yourself. So what happens on social media, for example, is you pick up your phone or you're on your computer and you're scrolling down and you're seeing all of these beautiful images of your friends and their friends having a good time on some vacation, or you're seeing these pictures of these families that are well put together, kids are well behaved, or you're looking at these images of these fashionistas that are putting on the latest name brands and their makeups are perfectly made up, and you're like, so you start comparing yourself. Maybe you put down your phone and then you pick up your phone again and you're looking at all of these images. So it's like constantly these images and this information is working on your mind, and eventually it starts, you start feeling unaligned with your life. You start feeling out of sync. You start feeling unhappy. You start feeling like things are not going well for you, and it starts affecting you in a negative way. So I would like to tell you, shake. If that's happening to you, please just wake up right now and reconnect with your reality. Once you reconnect with your reality, you can actually build your life and maybe work on your dreams from a point of strength. Now let me share a quote with you that will bring this home to you. Okay, so it's a quote by the great Dr. King, and this is what he said: if a man is called to be a street sweeper, he should sweep streets even as Michelangelo painted, or Beethoven composed music, or Shakespeare wrote poetry. He should sweep streets so well that all the hosts of heaven and earth will pause to say, here lived a great street sweeper who did his job well. He goes on to say, no work is insignificant. All labor that uplifts humanity has dignity and importance and should be undertaken with painstaking excellence. And I just love this quote because when he said, when he wrote the quote, he talked about a street sweeper. Okay, so that means wherever we are, whatever our reality is powerful. There is power in your reality. Whether you're a janitor, you can go in there and be the best janitor and dream big as a janitor, or dream big from that place. And who knows, maybe a few months from today, a few years from today, you own your own cleaning company. You will pick up contracts in your city, 6-figure contracts, $1 million contracts. Well, guess what? You started as a janitor, and you recognize the power of that seed that you started from, right? So you could be a seamstress sewing, and decide to say, I'm just going to make the best outfit for my clients, and you sew this beautiful outfit that make your clients feel good about themselves. You could be an educator, you could be a healthcare professional. Wherever you find yourself, that's where your seeds of greatness are. So step back and get in touch with your reality and reconnect with your reality. Be proud of your reality. That's where your power is. And you can use social media for inspiration. You can use it for information, even for entertainment. But it's important to recognize that social media should not take away your happiness, and also to recognize that your power is in your reality. And whatever that reality is good enough for you to build from. You should be proud of your reality. You should tell yourself, you know what, I've come a long way. I'm excited about the future. I'm happy. I'm going to tell a happy story about myself. I'm going to work hard and inspire my children, my kids, and be happy in this reality that I find myself in. So please make sure that social media is not robbing you of your greatness, because once you start comparing yourself to others, then you start forgetting who you really are and what your strengths are. So thank you for tuning in today. Remember, I am your #1 fan. I'm rooting for you, and I know that you are great in everything that you do. So see you next time. Bye.